Hi, I'm Lee Hughes, CSR Director for Bouygues Construction in the UK, a global business diversified into construction, media and TV and telecommunications. And here in Wales we've been here over 10 years and employing 100 people. And the curriculum reform is a great opportunity we as a business see for us to engage with Welsh Government, practitioners, teachers and fellow industry professionals to actually have a say in what the curriculum should look like going forward in Wales. I'm also the Chair for the Cardiff Capital Region Employment and Skills Board and the Chair for the Construction Industry Training Board here in Wales. This is a golden opportunity for all sectors that I engage with, whether that be fintech, cybersecurity, semiconductors, on new emerging roles, plus those traditional roles of craft and trade, to actually engage with business and engage with government to help shape a curriculum that meets the need for learners, future generations and employers, where we can work together and actually share our learning experience. Schools, they're looking to engage with us in industry to provide great examples of achievements of learning and areas of learning that we can provide and share to raise aspirations, to raise awareness of the opportunities that exist in the world of work. It's an ever-changing environment of world opportunities, and industry has a role. Let's share this world of experience. Let's share the achievements of learning, and let's work with schools to give authentic experiences of what we do on a daily basis in industry. The opportunity for us all is to engage, whether you're a micro business, an innovation centre, whether you're a regional business, a local business. Wales Business has an opportunity. The door is open. They want us to engage with practitioners, educationalists and the government. This is our opportunity to influence future generations. I urge industry, please take the opportunity to engage in the consultation process and work with everybody to make Wales a platform for prosperity for all.